beginnings and endings with lifetimes. In between, a beautiful way to explain life and death to children. By Don K. There is a beginning and an ending for everything that is alive. In between is living. All around us, everywhere, beginnings and endings are going on all the time. With living in between. This is true for all things. For plants. For people. For birds. For fish. For trees. For animals. Nothing that is alive goes on forever. How long it lives depends upon what it is and what happens while it is living. Sometimes, living things become ill or get hurt. Usually they get better again, but sometimes they are so badly hurt or so ill that they die because they can no longer stay alive. This can happen when they are young, or old, or anywhere in between. Even for the tiniest insect. There are lots of living things in our world. Each has its own special lifetime. Like everything else that is alive, people have lifetimes too. They live for about 60 or 70 years, sometimes even longer, doing all the things that people do. It can happen, though, as it does with all other living things, that people become ill or get hurt. Usually they get better again, but sometimes they are so badly hurt or so ill that they die because they can no longer stay alive. It may be sad, but that is how it is for people. It is the way they live, and it is their lifetime. So no matter how long they are, or how short, lifetimes are really all the same. They have beginnings and endings, and there is living in between.